How to stop someone from posting on Facebook timeline. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do, you have to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you have to scroll down, and then you have to click on the settings and privacy, and then you have to click on the settings, and here you have to scroll down, and then you have to, in the privacy tab, you can see the profile and tagging. You have to click on the profile and tagging. When you click on the profile and tagging, you have to in the viewing and sharing tab, so you can see the who can post on your profile. You have to click on this, and then you have to choose only me from the friends. You have to choose only me option, that anyone can't post on your Facebook timeline. So by choosing this option, you the anyone can't post on the Facebook your Facebook timeline. So that's it. And but if you want to post uh, friends, if you want that your friends post on the Facebook timeline, then what you have to do, you have to click on the who can see what others post on your profile in the second option. Then you come to this page, and then you can, here you can, you have to select the friends except option. You have to so make sure please select the friends except, and then you have to click on this arrow. When you click on this arrow, then you can search any of the friends that you want to select for the uh, posting on the Facebook timeline. Then you can search it, and then you can add it. So after adding, you can select them, and then so that's it. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.